How to send picture in Gmail iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can send picture in Gmail app on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to send picture in the Gmail app on iPhone, open up the Gmail app on your iPhone. Now inside the compose email tab, now let's say you want to add a picture. Tap on the insert option from the top of the screen. Now here you can simply select the picture that you want to send and it will actually get embedded. Now if you want to attach it instead of embedding it, tap on it. Then here you'll find this, tap the arrow icon and tap on send as attachment. Now you can simply send it as an attachment. You can also simply select other images that you might want over here, tap on insert and they will get successfully added. And this way you can send pictures in Gmail on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.